Most people think Amazon Flex is an easy way to make quick money, but that's where they get it wrong. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is assuming it's a stable full-time income job. It's not designed that way. Here's the truth no one tells you. Amazon Flex can be worth it, but only if you understand how the system works, how blocks are assigned, and how much real profit you actually take home after expenses. In this video, you'll get a clear, realistic 2026 review of Amazon Flex, including how it works, how much you can earn, and whether it's actually worth delivering for Amazon. Let's start with the basics. Amazon Flex is a gig delivery program where you use your own car to deliver packages for Amazon. You choose delivery blocks, usually a few hours long, and get paid per block, not per delivery. Now here's where most people fail. They see the hourly rate and think that's pure profit. But here's the problem. You have to cover fuel, maintenance, insurance, and time spent driving between stops. Let's say Alex takes a 3-hour block that pays $60. On paper, that looks good. But after fuel and wear on his car, his real earnings might drop significantly. That's why understanding net income is important, not just gross pay. Now here's where it gets interesting. Availability of blocks can vary a lot. Some drivers get consistent work, while others struggle to find shifts. The Amazon Flex app releases blocks based on demand, and competition can be high in busy cities. Another important factor is location. In high-demand urban areas you may get more frequent blocks, but traffic can reduce efficiency. In smaller areas, driving distances may be longer, but roads are easier and less stressful. Now let's talk flexibility. This is where Amazon Flex shines. You can choose when you want to work. There are no bosses, no fixed schedules, and you can log in or out anytime. That's why many people use it as a side income, not a full-time job. But here's the problem most beginners face. They don't plan their shifts strategically. They accept low-paying blocks during peak traffic hours and end up earning less per hour than expected. So is Amazon Flex worth it in 2026? It depends on your goal. If you want flexible side income, and you already drive regularly, it can be useful. If you are looking for stable income or predictable earnings, it may not be the best choice. So to quickly summarize, Amazon Flex offers flexibility, decent side income potential, but inconsistent availability, and real-world expenses reduce overall profit. If this helped you understand Amazon Flex clearly, hit like, drop a comment with your experience, and subscribe for more honest gig economy breakdowns like this.